y'all. I forgot to show y'all how the curry goat came out really good. Anyhow, I'm going to prepare the leftovers of it with the fresh rice and peas that made last night. He was so indecisive, of course. So, like I said, oh, so you want to boil it really, really well. Then it's good to add the scallions in it. You know, you're going to stir all that in too. Just add it and then stir it. Everybody does it differently. This is just how I prepare it. I'm not saying you got to do it like that, because you can always find, you know, another website and do it your way or their way or however, but this is how I make it, and it is the bomb. That's how I was taught, anyhow, by credible Jamaican grandmas and grandpas. Alright, and then, so, scallions boil in, a little bit of ginger. Oh yeah. I'm going to put it a little bit low, lower the heat. And some of the grace seasons. Then I'm going to add the thyme and rosemary. Bay leaves are actually good too. Add a couple bay leaves into it. I keep forgetting like a few details, but the bay leaves give it that good taste, and then you remove the leaves after it's cooking with the rice. So that was thyme and rosemary. I'm going to add a little rosemary into it. Oh, I love the smell of the rosemary. I like to add a lot. It is the bomb. Okay. And then next, I will add the water. And the rice. Add the peas into it. I think it's going to need a little bit more water though. I thought it'd be 1 cup, but pretty much like 2 cups. Yeah, 2 cups per 1 cup of rice. The coconut milk with it. Get that texture. So good. Let's stir all this up in it. Okay. It won't take longer than about 30 minutes. It's really the prep work. So I'm going to add the peas last, which is the kidney beans. Mix it all up in there. Let it cook together. Put the top on first and foremost. Lower the heat a little bit so it don't burn, and let it cook about 20-30 minutes. And it should be bomb. Stay tuned, y'all.